Are you looking for a delicious and healthy way to boost your heart health and aid in weight loss? Look no further than Healthful Hype. Today, we have an exciting and informative recipe to share with you that will not only help you burn fat, but also improve your heart health. Let's dive into the ingredients of this heart-healthy juice. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and hit the ring bell for notification on the next content. Smash the like button in appreciation. Okay, let's dive into the ingredients. Firstly, you will need 1.5 cups of watermelon, 1 cup of pomegranate, a few sprigs of mint, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds soaked in water overnight. Watermelon is a great ingredient to include in your diet as it is hydrating, nourishing, and packed with antioxidants. Not only does it reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke, but it also lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Pomegranate seeds are another fantastic ingredient to incorporate into your diet as they are rich in polyphenolic compounds that are highly beneficial to heart health. Studies have shown that pomegranates and pomegranate seeds reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in your arteries, lower blood pressure, and help fight plaque buildup. Adding a few sprigs of mint to your juice not only enhances the flavor, but also provides numerous health benefits. Mint leaves aid in digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and are packed with nutrients. The final ingredient, chia seeds, add an extra boost of fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients to the juice. By soaking the chia seeds in water overnight, they become spongy and easy to digest, making it a great addition to your diet for weight loss. Overall, this heart-healthy juice recipe is an excellent way to improve your heart health while also providing your body with essential nutrients and aiding in weight loss. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more like it, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on new content. We welcome any feedback or suggestions for new recipes in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.